Hello students, a warm welcome to your EVS class. We have started a new chapter, chapter 3, Health and Happiness. And in this chapter I have told few things that how you can be healthy, why you should be healthy, and if you're healthy, you will be happy. So health and happiness goes together. ठीक है, अगर आप स्वस्थ हो आप खुश रहोगे, अगर आप बीमार हो आप दुखी रहोगे. इसलिए हेल्थ और हैप्पीनेस दोनों साथ साथ जाते हैं. अगर आप हेल्दी हो आप खुश रहोगे, अगर आप अनहेल्दी हो आप दुखी रहोगे. सो लेट अस सी, लेट्स बिगिन द चैप्टर. व्हाई वी शुड बी हेल्दी and how can we be healthy? We should know. We can be healthy by eating healthy foods, by maintaining a proper routine to keep your body fit and fine. Yes or no? And why we should eat healthy food? Because food is necessary for the body. It is giving you energy to do the various works of every day, like from getting up, doing the daily work of taking a bath, eating your food, going to school, studying, playing. All these things need energy. And from where does this energy come? It comes from the food which you eat. Okay, the healthy food which you eat, not the junk food like your chow mein, burger, pizza. No, in a once in a while you can eat. Okay, मना नहीं है जंक फूड खाना, कभी कभी खाओ, लेकिन not every day. We should eat healthy food to keep our body fit and fine. Now along with the food, we should maintain a regular healthy habit also to keep us fit. So what are those? Let us see. The first one, going to bed early and waking up early. We should follow a regular routine of going to bed and waking up. जैसे स्कूल में टाइम टेबल फॉलो होता है, वैसे ही रात को सोना और सुबह उठना एक ही टाइम में होना चाहिए, so that your body works according to that clock and your body will be fit and fine. You should not watch television, you should not watch mobile phone till late night. ठीक है? You should make it a habit to go to bed early and wake up early. After waking up, do a little bit of exercise which will keep your body fit. Okay? Now if you're waking up and sleeping at a regular time, then your body will know that yes, this is the time to sleep, this is the time to get up, and your body will be healthy. Now to keep your body fit, the second most important thing is eating a healthy food, as I said. And like the food should include carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins. Then it should include milk. You should drink proper quantity of water every day. You should not eat oily food, fried food. Then तुम्हारे खाने में vegetables, seasonal fruits सब होना चाहिए. All right, so healthy food is needed for keeping your body healthy. Next is, we should take proper care of every part of the body. The first important thing is taking a bath every day. हमें every day नहाना चाहिए. Most of you think that छोड़ो कल तो नहाया आज छोड़ देते हैं. No, because when you're taking bath, the dirt in the body is cleaned. जब आप नहाते हो जो भी गंदगी धूल मिट्टी जमा हुआ है वो साफ होता है. So if you're not taking a bath, the dirt will not be removed and it will be a breeding ground for germs. Your body will smell. Okay, you should take proper care of your hair also. For that, what you should do, you should shampoo your hair at least once a week. Then you should comb your hair properly. And when you're taking a bath, you should wipe your body after taking a bath. हर दिन नहाना ज़रूरी है, साथ साथ नहाने के बाद पोंछना भी ज़रूरी है. बॉडी को सूखा रखना है. अगर गीला रखोगे वहाँ जर्म्स बॉडी में फैलेगा. फिर अपने बॉडी का वो हेयर को उसको भी साफ़ रखना है, उसके लिए शैम्पू करना है, बाल को झाड़ना है, नहीं तो वहाँ पे जू होना शुरू हो जाएगा. ऑलराइट, गर्ल्स शुड टेक प्रॉपर केयर ऑफ द हेयर बिकॉज देयर हेयर इज लॉन्ग. Next, after the head, come to your face. The face, we are having the sense organs, eyes, nose, mouth, ears. We should take care of these parts. For mouth, we should brush our teeth at least twice, once in the morning, once before going to bed, so that your teeth it's clean and the tooth does not decay and cavities are not formed. Next, how will you take care of your eyes, nose, ears? Eyes, we should not lie down and read. While reading, we should sit in a straight position. We should read in a proper light. अंधेरे में नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए, चलते हुए बस में नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. It gives strain to your eyes. Yes? Then when cleaning the ears and nose, we should not use our fingers. बहुत बार होता है हमने पेंसिल ही अपने कान में घुसा लिए. No, that is wrong. We should use a proper clean cloth for cleaning our nose and ears, because these are very delicate organs. All right. So today we will see only these few points. Rest we will see in the next class.